How to delete X post history. Let's get started. Launch your X app. Here we go. You will land to the home page. Now at the top left corner, you can find your profile icon. Click on it. Now click on the option of profile. With that, you will land to the profile page. Now over here, you're going to find different sections. Here towards the section of post. Now in this page, you will be able to find all of your posts. Right now within X, there is no such option to delete all the posts in bulk, but what you can do is delete each post manually. So select the post that you want to delete. At the top right corner of the post, you will find three dots. Click on it. Different options will pop up. Here towards the option of delete post. Are you sure you want to delete this post? Click on delete. With that, the post will be deleted. By applying the same process, you are able to delete other posts as well. If in the future X comes up with bulk post delete feature, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. But for now, you can apply this process to delete your post. So that's all for this video. This is how you can delete X post history. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.